Alright, let's check one more time, bro. Oh shit, it's working. Oh, oh my god, we did it, bro. We did it. Yeah. What's up, YouTube? Ezzer-X is back with another video, another costume car. So today I'm back with Mustang 1968 GT500, especially known as 1968 Shelby GT500. At that time, this car was $180,000, but a lot of things changed. At this time, this car was typically around 20,000 up to $30,000, and we're gonna change every single details in 20 minutes. But hold on, bro. Before we get into it, hit the subscribe button, hit the like, and comment down which car should we do next. All right, let's get into it. Take a look. Take a look at this car. Ooh, this is nice, bro. No cap. This is good. I'll change everything. Okay. So we are in our home garage, right? So we should take this car into our work garage. Hold on. So boom. Look. Let's start with this is our garage. Alright. I'll work here. A lot of workers here. I got 2 or 3 workers here. So first off, let's change the engine. Oh, I think. Oh, I hear something. Hold on. Oh, okay. It's okay. We're gonna build. We're gonna change oil, everything. Okay, let's start with this muffler. I like this. Okay, this is good. Oh my god, I like this one. I like this one. What y'all think, bro? Okay. If we start here, let's get into headlights. Let's see this. I like this, but I like this one more. Okay. Okay. Trunk. Let's see this one. Oh, okay. This is what you call. Oh, I forget it, bro. Carpet. No. Carpet. Oh, my bad though. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, let's change. I want a white body. Like, I want a teeth right here. Okay, I see, yeah. Flares, right? I want a big. Okay, this is the big one. This. See, I like this one. Only in backside. Nope. Front side, I like this. But this is cool. Okay. Ooh, look at this. I like this one. Okay. What about this? Oh my god. I like this one. Let's see. Grills. I hate this shit. This right here. I don't like this. What about this? Ooh, this is good. But we got choice. A lot of choice here. What about this? Nah. Impeded on it, like the Mustang logo on it. I like this. Like, look. Okay. Keep going, bruh. Okay. Let's see this one. Headlights. It's good. I think this is good. Oh. No. I'll keep this. Okay, here. The bumper. Wow. This is nice. What about this? Okay. We got a lot. No. Okay. This ain't bad. What if we change the color of this? Color. And then black. Is it good? Nah. I don't like it at all. This. Nah, bro. Only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7? Okay. Only 7, bro. Ooh. With a black, this is cool. I like this. Okay, let's change the hood. I don't like the ring right here. Like this. I don't like this. Yeah. Is that? Okay, let's change. Ooh. Yeah, this is good. This is nah. What about this? Let's see this one. Okay. Nah. The first one is good. This one. Yeah. I like this one. What y'all think, bro? Comment down what y'all think. We're gonna change it. Okay. Let's see here. Now, the wheels. Yeah. Okay, I think we got a lot. Ooh. This might be good. Yeah. Ooh, wait. Oh, okay. Let's change the color of black. What about this? Yeah. Tough. This is tough. Okay. Mirrors. Black color. Okay. Let's see this. Oh shit. Like this. This is like, it's not too much, it's not too big, it's not too small, but fitted. I like this. This side, okay. Side skirts. I mean, so, okay. Okay. I'll keep you, bro. Okay. What if we got chill, bro? Let's see. Oh, like this. Ooh. Yeah, yo, I feel something like change wings. Now wings, bro. Spoilers. Where is it? Where is it? Yeah, I got it, bro. God damn, bro. I will keep this. I don't want to change, but there is a lot. We got a lot of options. Let's see this. What about this? Hell no. I'll keep this one. Yeah, this one. I'll keep this. Okay. Oh, excellent. This is good. So let's change the. So here we can tint the window like boom dark, bro. Like boom. Look. I like it, bro. Dark. Damn. This is good. Okay. Whoa. I don't like this. Yeah. Okay, we can adjust the what you call the height, right? Like suspension down. Oh shit, you see? Oh my god. One thing, we need to change only one thing, bro. The color. And hold on, what is this? Yeah, I'll keep this. But we need right here too. Hold on. Yeah, this is good. The first one is too much. What is? Okay, we don't need to do. What is this? I don't want it. Oh my god. What is this? Oh. What is this? What? I mean. Okay. Let's. Right here we need like this. Commercial. It's a wide window. We don't need that. Yeah, I like this. I like this one. Let's change the color. Full. Okay. Hold on. Before that, we need right here. No. Wait. Roof scope. We need something like a shark. You feel what I'm saying? So if we got a shark. What about this? It's not bad, but okay. I like this. I'll keep this. Let me see this one. I'll keep this. Yeah. Okay. What is this? What we got here? No. So I know about this, but we don't need this. All we need is a muffler. Oh my god! When I take the bumper, Alright, let's keep. Boom. Yeah. Whoa. I like this one. Alright. What about this? This is cool. No, we don't need plates. No. Yeah. What about I like this because if you see here, here, and here. Okay, let's change the color of it. I don't think we don't need this. Okay, so here for components, I like the glossy. Like, let me show y'all. Maybe here, or let's see this one first. Nah. Or this one. I like this. I'll keep this. We can change this. Same bad. I mean, I will keep this. Okay, take a look. Final result. Okay, this is the final result. Take a look. And one of my worker changed the engine oil. We're gonna test we're gonna check it, rev it. Alright, let's try it. Okay. No. Nothing is come. Oh my god, it works. Oh shit.